The cricket is a professional game. Sachin played cricket, he left. Brian Lara played, left. In front of cricket, nobody is bigger than a cricket. See, now people are watching television. Now he's a professional, his money is involved. Now got more competition. You need to identify talent scout and everything. See, being him, me, I already assigned so many things in Karnataka. I was last 4.5 years, I was a selector and we won 8 tournaments. So I don't know, God has given me picking talents. When I came here, Goa, and thanks to coach Prakash Maka, head coach, he did very hard work, and he also is helping me. Okay, his overall is helping my process.
Do you plan to get professional quota players to strengthen the Goa team?
Yeah, we required a professional cricketer because now they already signed Amit Verma. He's a left-hander.
He played last year.
Yeah, last year he played and decently performed. Then now they signed CM Gautam. He's a former Karnataka captain and he's a wicket keeper. He's a middle order. He's useful. Not only come and playing professional cricket. He need to come and help our boys. What is high level cricket? What are small tips required? They need to help. I'll request them. And overall, now we'll go match by match. Okay, then I'll try to produce my side result.